Hello friends, today we will discuss about this small instrument called as respirometer, or it is also called as incentive spirometer. This instrument is small but very effective in the ICU setup, in patients undergoing thoracic surgery, and it also improves lung function. So if the normal people do it regularly, their lung capacity increases and their chest muscles, respiratory muscles become strong. So today we will discuss how to use this respirometer, how we assemble this machine. We connect this breathing tube to this pipe. So our spirometer is ready. Now how to use this spirometer? For using spirometer, first we have to exhale, and after that we should take the deep inspiration. So while taking the deep inspiration, it should be slow and steady, so that these balls will raise above. So I will demonstrate now. After lifting these balls, we have to hold it for 2 to 3 seconds at this position. Okay. Now we have used it in the inspiratory phase. Now we are using in the expiratory phase. Means while exhaling, we have to use it also. For that, take deep breath. You have to do 10 to 15 repetitions of this exercise. Okay, you have to do 10 to 15 times every 2 to 3 hours in a day. You can do for about 7 to 8 times in a day. It helps to improve your lung capacity and improves the strength of your respiratory muscles. After completing the exercise, what we have to do? We have to cup 3 to 4 times. Okay. So all the secretions which present in your chest will be clear. We use it in post-COVID patients. So nowadays the common infection is coronavirus, COVID-19 infection, and it affects the lungs, causes pneumonia and reduces the respiratory capacity. So in these patients we advise to use respirometer, incentive spirometer regularly, and it increases the lung capacity, their inspiratory volume, and helps to recover fast. The other patients who are suffering from bronchial asthma, atelectasis also get benefit from the incentive spirometer. The incentive spirometer helps to clear secretions in your lungs. So alveoli contains lot of secretions, and if you do it, the secretions will be cleared and the chances of pneumonia will decrease. So that lung infections are prevented by using this respirometer regularly. You have to use in sitting or a standing position. You should be straight. In sitting position, your shoulders should be straight, and every week you can wash it with soap and water. So you can disassemble it and wash it with the soap and water. This instrument doesn't cost much. Cost is around 400 rupees. If the normal people use it regularly, their lung capacity will increase. We do pranayam for improving our lung capacity. If you use it respirometer, we can objectively see what is our lung capacity. If you are able to blow the blue ball, then it means that your capacity is like 600 ml. You have to do it regularly, and slowly your lung capacity will increase. So this is a very small and useful instrument. You should have one at your home, and you should do it regularly. In a day, you have to do around 6 to 7 times, and for every time you have to do 10 to 15 repetitions. Okay. So I have also given the link in the description box. From here you can purchase it. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon.